The Biocomposite Centre was set up in 1989, and the primary focus is to look at ways of adding value to agricultural, forestry and food processing residues. Key to that is innovative processes, so either altering processes which we've used for many years and creating new ways to add value to some of these crop residues, or developing new processes.
Mae beth sgynna ni yma yn y Canolfan Biogyfansoddion yn yr unig un yn enwedig yn Brydain sydd yn neud y fath yma o waith, ond bobl yn dod o mor bell o Ewrop ag o Australia hyd yn oed, a gwledydd eraill i ddefnyddio ni am bod ni mor hyblyg.
So a lot of the work we do is taking research out of the lab and making it more commercial, and for us impact means generating a new product or process that is having societal or economic benefit. And a good example of this is some of the work we're trying to do in East Africa in eliminating or reducing plastics waste in the agroforestry sector. We devised a formulation that is biodegradable and can be used to grow tree saplings in, and once these tree saplings are planted, the sleeves can be discarded without any issues being created around generation of plastics waste.
Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n bwysig iawn beth da ni'n neud i leihau carbon footprint ar y byd, a i gael gwarad o plastig un defnydd, a bod o'n adio mwy o value i wast mewn diwydiant.